Hey guys, Evan here. I'm going to be doing a song that me and my friend Jane like to do. So, Miss Susie had a steamboat, the steamboat had a bell. Miss Susie went to heaven, the steamboat went to hello operator. Give me number 9. If you disconnect me, I'll keep you from behind the refrigerator. There was a piece of glass. Miss Susie fell down on her very fat. Ask me no more questions. I'll say no more lies. Miss Susie's in the bathroom with 7 different guys. So that's all, and I will be making a video later on. Maybe my friend Maddie will be here, so we'll see.